Welcome back, everybody, to the Rev Moto Garage. Doing a little garage floor paint project today. As you can see, we got some areas on the existing floor which has been painted for a while that need to be touched up. So without moving everything from the outside edges of the garage, I'm gonna paint, move the bike obviously, and the little stuff like the little pool, the mower, and put down some paint on this to recoat it since we're gonna be going on vacation and not having a vehicle parked in here to let it sit. You need to have about 4 days of solid dry time for it to cure. A little more if it's humid, which it is out right now, so a couple extra days. Gonna be gone for 7. It'll have plenty of time to cure, look good, and keep what you see here that happened from vehicle tires, because didn't have a lot of time last time and had to have the car in the garage. But this stuff's been on here for a couple years, so we're gonna get it fixed up right. I'm gonna show you what you need to do to prep and show you what we're gonna be using, which is that Drylok there. Just a simple purchase from Home Depot. It's about 35 bucks a gallon. But all you're gonna wanna do is make sure, which I'm gonna use a leaf blower here to get all the loose debris out. And then I'm gonna mop the floor to clean it and prep it a little bit. We got some simple green here. If you like to use that, just make sure you dilute it real good. You don't wanna mess up if you got some existing salvageable floor, so you don't pull that up or cause it to become wet and loose just from the cleaning detergent agents in the cleaner. Using some Dawn diluted in water to mop too after you blow out or sweep out all the surface debris is good too. This Drylok here, Dover Gray, non-slip, low sheen, as you can see, for garage floors. About 35 bucks a gallon. This gallon probably will cover all that I need here since the floor is not in too bad a shape. Should do the trick. Just using a roller on the extension. Can even use a shop vac too. Get up some of that loose stuff. If you don't have a blower, you don't want to sweep it out or are worried about leaving a little bit of debris, which I'll probably do some of that too. Lay it down kind of thick. And that's all you need to do. Make sure you let it set. Don't have anything going over top of it. And just using a paint rag and drop some of that Drylok in there. And paint up this floor so it'll be looking nice. But that's all you need to do. It'll transform your garage floor to look nice. And make it look like an awesome garage, like the Rev Moto Garage. We'll get it done and I'll show you guys what it looks like here, but let's get to work with the prep. All right, now that we got the floor all prepped up, clean, stir our Drylok up a little bit. We're going in the container and we're just using a liner here. Quick and easy. It's just a garage floor, but it's gonna look good regardless of what we use to pour the Drylok in. Get us going. like I said, we're gonna put it down a little bit heavier this time. We got plenty of time to let it cure. Start on the car where we got side where we got the most traffic at here. You'll see as we lay it down how much better it's going to look. Get it on there, nice and heavy. Make sure you're getting into those cracks. Let it seep down in there. Again, I'll move this other side, but just for the purpose of showing for video without making one that's a couple hours long, just for the purpose of showing everybody how to easily do this and get a snapshot on the camera of what it looks like when it's done. Give you an idea of at least what it'll look like. You can already see the difference. I'm gonna bring it over a little bit more here to show you, even on the spots that don't look as good on camera, to get a little closer to you and show you that this really does wonders. And when it dries, kind of like the floor that was done here originally before what I'm doing now. It really does transform the look of the garage floor, make it a little bit nicer. You can, during your clean and prep, get up any, oil or stains that were on the floor. And even if you can't get them up perfectly, you'll see how amazing it is when you cover it. And honestly, if I was heavily doing the entire garage floor, you'll see that it's got good coverage. So I haven't even put that much in the tray and haven't even made a dent in that gallon. So if you had two to do a whole garage, it'd be more than sufficient. But take it down here to this stubborn spot that I had that you can see on the camera, and just see what it does. And as you can see, you don't want to go thin. If you do, garage floor will soak up a little bit of that. And you want to make sure you're getting all that covered so that you can't see any of that once you're done and complete with painting the floor. But look at that. Already, you can tell the difference. $70 if you do 2 gallons for the entire floor. And it's awesome. You're gonna love the look of the garage, the feel. It looks better, it's cleaner. But thanks guys for tuning in to the RevMoto Garage. Simple, quick video just to give you a taste of what you got to do for prep and completion of painting your garage floor. Make it look good for cheap. You'll be happy that you did it. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe. Plenty of other great video content related to all garage stuff. Cars, motorcycles, and just some garage work to make yours look awesome. Thanks for tuning in. You guys have an awesome day. Please subscribe. Rev Moto Garage out.